எண்ணும் எழுத்தும்.
Hi children, how are you?
We are fine, thank you, Miss.
Shall we play an activity today?
Yes.
Are you ready children?
Ready, Miss.
You have already names. Now I am going to give you a special name to you. Okay? Here are your name tags. Vinod.
Thank you, Miss.
Rosie.
Thank you.
Meghalai.
Thank you, Miss.
James.
Thank you, Miss.
Alia.
Thank you, Miss.
And last Raju.
Thank you, Miss.
Now I would like to invite Vinod to come forward. Vinod washes his clothes. Vinod folds his clothes. Are you ready to do the action, Vinod?
Yes, Miss.
Do it. Vinod washes his clothes. How nicely he is washing now.
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Vinod folds his clothes. Very nice. Shall we give the applause to Vinod? Thank you, Vinod.
Thank you, Miss.
In your house, do you like to wash your clothes?
Yes, Miss. We like.
Okay. Who can wash your clothes?
Miss, I can wash my clothes, Miss.
Very good. Shall we appreciate that? Very nice. Taking care of your clothes is a very important thing to do. Isn't it no?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Rosie, it's your turn to come forward now. Rosie rides her bicycle. Rosie rides her bicycle. Can you do an action, Rosie?
Yes.
Yes, right. Yeah, very nicely you are riding your bicycle. Very nice. Thank you, Rosie. Children, do you like to ride a bicycle?
Yes, Miss. We like.
Oh, who can ride a bicycle?
I can ride a bicycle, Miss.
Very good. Riding the bicycle keeps us active and healthy. Isn't it no, children?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now I would like to invite James to step forward. James has a garden. James has a garden. He waters the plants. He waters the plants. Can you do an action, James?
Yes,
do it. See how nicely he is pouring the water. Shall we give the applause to James? Thank you, James. Children, do you like to grow plants in your house?
Yes, Miss. We like.
Who water the plants?
I water my plants.
Very good. Very nicely you answered, Ma. By growing more trees, we keep our environment very clean and green. Okay. Now I would like to invite Alia to step forward. Alia stitches her torn clothes. Alia stitches her torn clothes. Alia, can you do an action?
Yes, Miss.
Do it. Wow, you are nicely stitching. Shall we give the clap to Alia? Yes. Amazing, Alia. Thank you. Do you like stitching, children?
Yes, Miss. We like.
Who can stitch your clothes in the house?
Saw in the cloth.
You saw your clothes. Yes, okay, very good. You sew and hem your clothes. Shall we give the applause? Okay. Stitching is a very excellent skill. That skill you should develop from your childhood onwards. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. Next, I would like to invite Raju to step forward. Raju is a very good boy. He helps his mom and dad in the kitchen. Raju helps his mom and dad in the kitchen by cutting and chopping the vegetable. Can you do an action, Raju?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it. Wow, you are nicely cutting, boy. Shall we give the applause to Raju? Thank you, Raju.
Thank you, ma'am.
Children, do you like to help your mom or dad in the kitchen?
Yes, miss, we like.
Who can cook?
I can cook. I cut and chop the vegetables.
Very good. You will cut and chop the vegetable also. Very nice. Last, I would like to call Meghalai to step forward. Meghalai is a good swimmer. Meghalai is a good swimmer. She likes to swim in the pond. She likes to swim in the pond. Meghalai, are you ready to do the swimming in the class now?
Yes, miss.
Do it. Yes, very nicely she is swimming. Thank you, Meghalai. Swimming keeps us very cool in this hot summer. Isn't it no, children? Yes. Children, you all nicely doing the action. Do you like to swim in the pond?
Yes, miss, we like.
Who can swim?
I like to swim in the pond.
Very good. I too like to swim in the pond, boy. Thank you so much. We all nicely finished this activity. Shall we recall the actions once again, children? Yes. First, we are going the action of Vinod. Okay. Washing your clothes. Shall we do now? Start. You can also do the action along with me. Okay. Washing your clothes. Riding a bicycle. Swimming in the pond. Watering the plants. Stitching the clothes. Cut and chop vegetables. Yeah, very nicely you are doing the action. Children, I have 6 reading cards. I have 6 reading cards. Who is ready to read these cards?
Yes, sir.
Can you? Come, friends. Take the card and read.
I like to ride a bicycle.
Very good. Shall we give the clap? Take the next card.
I saw and hem my clothes.
Take the card once again, boy. You can say this sentence as I sew and hem my clothes.
I sew and hem my clothes.
Very good. Give the clap. Take the next card.
I water my plants.
Very good. Here the next card.
I wash my clothes and fold my clothes.
Wait. Take the card. See, this is fold. Can you repeat the word?
I wash my clothes. I fold my clothes.
Very good. Take the next card.
I like to swim in the pond.
Very good. Here, the last card.
I can cook. I cut a chop vegetable.
Very good. Shall we give the applause to him? Okay, children, you all enjoyed this activity, I think so. You encouragingly participated in the activity. Okay, I hope you all enjoy this do it yourself activity. From this activity, you know more hobbies like washing, riding a bicycle, swimming, gardening, stitching and cooking. Okay, you also try all these hobbies in your vacation time. Okay, children? Thank you, children.
Thank you.